There we go. Good morning. How we doing? How we doing? Let's get this party started. Uh, uh, uh. Group. Hello, hello. See the YouTube. Get the stream going. Hello, hello. Gonna boot up my charts. We'll be good to go in a second. There we go. Alright, perfect. Sweet. How we doing, everyone? Can y'all see me? See my screen? Alright, let's go for a plan for today. Obviously, we have this new week opening gap. Let's see this gap on ES. Yeah, we have this new week opening gap. Trading higher, new all-time highs. Not that exciting. What am I gonna look for? Honestly, I want to see this go inversion, change in the state here. If we get a close down here, could be a valid spot to short. But again, you're shorting all-time highs. You might get caught up. We could go another 200 points today, who knows? Just based on the order flow from the overnight session. But what I would love to see is for new week opening gap to get tapped into and shorts off the open. So that's what I'm going to be watching for. Good morning, sub VS now, Mo, Rob. Psh, and look, straight up. If we can sustain higher prices here, then shorts are going to be off the table. But if this turns into a wick, if this wick's lower, then we're going to be interested in taking it shorts. Mm-mm-mm. Do want to get an indicator going. Just going to be patient here. We have this high that we just took out. Waiting for the setup. So how many people we got in here? 33. Let's go. 33 people are going to catch a banger trade in this morning. Do like this for shorts. If we get a pullback to 50, I'm gonna enter a short. Alright, I just filled some shorts at 50. Actually, at 47.88. That's what it says on my executions. I can show you guys right here. And my stop loss is gonna be whatever, 9 points, 12 points, 48. Gonna let this shit ride. We are shorting all-time highs, so it is a little bit risky. Yeah, I'm currently in shorts right now. What is that? Like 15 points, 20 points here. You can go break even here. You don't want to turn this into a losing day. And if you're on a funded account with like some consistency rules, I would definitely trim some profits because this price action is just it's capable of just going up. It can wake right back up. That is like 30 points almost, 25 points. Pretty chill. Just to show you guys my execution. Definitely move your stops. Move your stops up. We could continue lower, but I would protect the profit that you do have. It's pretty delayed, by the way. It's 1 second, it should be. Let me check. I'll tell you exactly what the delay is. I'll have the, what's it? Live is 9:36. Oh, it might be like 10 seconds actually. Okay, I'm gonna figure out how to remove delay. That's remove stream delay. And just because now we're at the like bottom of the range, right? It doesn't mean that this is gonna be long. So like we could continue selling off. Look at this big move we just had. Why did I take shorts? We swept all-time highs. We need to pull back for AM. This could be the manipulation. Like we could have an expansion higher, or this could be the start of the reversal. So either or, we're due for some sort of pullback. probably gonna get stopped on some runners soon. And I'm probably gonna get stopped. I have a limit at 33, 32. Cold trade, save my evals. Fire, bro. Yeah, I'm gonna figure out how to fix this delay for y'all. Alright, there we go. You know, I could see this go higher. You know, I do like this a little bit. Just following the trend. Do you enter just off changing the state? Um, I entered just up here off the sweep, and just the fact that the 930 sent us higher into this deep premium, so it's a little bit of risk to reward and kind of anticipation. But yeah, hopefully you guys capitalized off that. Mm-mm. I'm really trying to fix this stream delay. Stream latency. What is normal versus low? Okay, low latency. Added delay, none. Alright. You enter just off changes. They I already answered that. Okay. I think our original trade was very good. I do want to see lower price. It would be so annoying if price continued going higher. I know I just said it might look good for higher, but you have to understand on some days the market's gonna be so irrational. Like we can have this tiny sweep and then boom, just keep going higher for like no reason. So the market's gonna be irrational longer than you have the capital to deploy. Like going short here, yes, there's a lot of opportunity, but you're gonna be fading a lot of the order flow. See what gold's up to. What would you say your A plus model would be? Um, You should check out my YouTube videos. I talk about what the A plus model is, but that's like sweep of higher time frame liquidity, and then change in the state, and most importantly, like the draw and liquidity. If you have clear targets, clear higher time frame targets that you're looking for, that's gonna be your bread and butter. Like we're just consolidating here. It's a little bit boring. Alright, let's check out what my delay is. It is what, 44.16. Bro, it's like 20 seconds, 15 seconds. Next stream, I'll fix it. Right now, I don't know what to do. See what gold's doing. Gold has these lows down here that look interesting. This is just tilting. This is not good price. I'm sure you guys know that. But if you guys are new to the stream, I would make sure to drop a sub, like the video. Trying to do more for y'all. You might want to wait till after 10 a.m. to look for a trade now. Open widget. Oh, I see. I see why there's a delay. Low latency versus normal latency. Okay, yeah. I don't know how to change it midstream. I'm gonna restart the stream if I can. Open Studio. Yeah, I'm gonna quickly pause the stream. So I'll be right back.